Good afternoon, Irving students. This is Mrs. Thomas, one of the assistant principals, here to talk to you today about a communication survey that you'll be taking for the second time this year. As a school this year, we have two goals. One, where by the end of the year, all departments will increase one level or maintain if they are a 4 or 5 in the areas of analyzing post-assessment data and determining and implementing enrichment and interventions. And the second one that you'll be working on today is raising the bar. So in this school year, all students will show growth by one level or maintain a 3 in all 5 categories of a portrait of a graduate communicator. So this is something you should be hearing your teachers talk about each and every day. The portrait of the graduate communicator looks at several different areas. I'll give you a few moments to sit and read them. You took this assessment at the beginning of the year, and I'm going to show you your baseline data. So the first question looks at applying effective reading skills to acquire knowledge and broaden perspectives. So this means you write and you read to understand, evaluate, and learn. You also use research when creating new ideas. Please look at your scores below. The second question says, I employ or use active listening strategies to advance understanding, which means I listen and ask questions, I paraphrase ideas, or make connections that further my understanding. Please look at the baseline scores below. The third question, I speak in a purposeful manner to inform, influence, motivate, or entertain listeners, which means I plan to speak to a specific audience by selecting meaningful topics and language that engages others. Please look at the baseline scores below. The next question, I incorporate and use effective writing skills for various purposes and audiences to convey understanding and concepts. It means I plan, organize, and revise my writing for an intended purpose and audience by blending different ideas and concepts. Please look at the baseline scores below. And the last question that was asked on the baseline was that I use technological skills and contemporary digital tools to explore and exchange ideas. It means I use digital tools to research ideas and make my message more effective. Please look at the scores below. In just a few moments, your teacher is going to show you on your counselor's Google Classroom that you're going to be taking the mid-year communication self-assessment survey. Please make sure that if you have questions about anything on this assessment that you ask your teacher for help. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing how you're doing with the communication goal of this year.